spend your time dragging my name. You're toxic and I can't relate. Used to call me best friend, should've learned my lesson. I don't like the games you play. You can't keep up with all your lies, and you always say that.
Hi everybody, welcome to Homegrown Homestead. My name is Liz. Welcome back if you've been here before, and hello if you are just joining me. Today the video is only going to be about making lasagna that does not involve ricotta cheese. I grew up having it with cottage cheese, I think because it was cheaper. Russ does not like ricotta cheese, and he loves cottage cheese, but he doesn't like it in the lasagna. So this one you make a white sauce for. Technically it's called a bechamel sauce, very similar if not the same as a garlicky Alfredo sauce. So if you'd rather just in a pinch use a jar of Alfredo sauce, that's fine too. So the parts that I can speed up, I will, but the gist of it is the same as any other lasagna. This is more of an old-fashioned kind. I do not make my mom's recipe. I make something very different. If you're interested in the recipe, just reach out to me and I will post it. This uses spinach, and I grind all that up and also grind up the ground beef. Now, you could also use Italian sausage in it, either all Italian or half Italian and ground beef. I did not have any Italian, so I'm just using ground beef. So if you have any questions, I'll jump in if I think I need to explain something. Otherwise, just reach out to me. I'm very happy to answer.
Try not to think about it. All I do is think about it. Damn, there I go again. I don't know if you want just friends. Call me when you're feeling lonely. Wait a week and then you ghost me. Damn, there you go again and again. Yeah, I can't take the rules you make up. Always keep on switching sides. All this back and forth when we touch. I've been going out my mind, yeah. I'm stuck in your head games. I'm locked in my bed frame, hanging on your lips every time you say my name, yeah. I'm losing my heart.
Today I'm using my canned tomatoes because I have them in my pantry, which is great, but nothing lasts forever in the pantry. So I want to start using that stuff up. Otherwise, I have many jars of homemade tomato sauce and all that that I canned up by myself. But I want to get this stuff used. If I do buy canned, the stuff you just saw me use, I can't remember the name of it, is awesome. It tastes delicious. And then in here I also threw in that fire roasted diced tomatoes from Aldi's. Those are amazing. Now I've tried making fire roasted tomatoes myself. Did not do terrible, but they're nothing like this. I will try and do it again. But I really like Aldi's, so in fact I should probably get some more of those before I can't find them anymore.
All this back and forth when we touch. Then going out my mind, yeah. I'm stuck in your head games. to write happier songs. I've been sad too long, but it's hard when I keep waiting for every
So here is your typical roux. So you melt the butter, and then you add your flour, and then your garlic and your milk, or heavy cream. I just use milk. I've used heavy cream in the past, and it makes it delicious even more, but I didn't have any, and it didn't taste any worse by using milk. But we drink whole milk. I grew up on skim milk, and now if I would ever drink skim milk, it's terrible. It's just water.
to write happier songs. I've been sad too long, but it's hard when I keep waiting for everything to go wrong, and it ain't my fault. 'Cause until now, blaming everything on you has been way too easy to do. Blaming everything on you has been way too easy to do. Grown-ups don't get summer break, but with you it doesn't feel that way. In the sunshine state, you're my quiet place, and I'm scared as hell, but it's a carousel from all the anticipating and the waiting to be in any given all we've got. Then what if that's still not enough? I've been trying to write happier songs. I've been sad too long, but it's hard riding waves, jumping out of airplanes, spinning down, erasing all your memories, lying on my shoulder, worrying about your mother. Found your head rolling down the alley, spent the day looking for your body. Remember how I met you, dancing to the music. Gray eyes, gray eyes, feeling blue. Sacrificed too many moments, another grain of sand in the ocean. You decorate your door, you tell me that it's always open.
I'm finishing up my second lasagna here and using up everything. I probably could have made more of the white sauce because I kind of wish there was more. The first one that I put together, we heated up and ate right away, and the second one I'm going to throw in the freezer and then I can send it with Russ for his lunches. If he doesn't want this all for his lunch, then we'll just save it for later and just eat it together on another night. But I want to thank you for watching. I do also want to say the red sauce that I had left over, you can't see me kind of, but my feet right now, it's because I'm taking a piece of bread and I am eating the rest of that red sauce. Oh my goodness, that was delicious. I hope I can repeat it again. That's my problem. I will come up with a recipe and I don't really write it down and then can't really repeat it. But anyway, thank you very much. I hope you're doing okay in the heat and enjoy yourself. Bye.